scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Metabolism questions can be tricky, but we can solve this fast by looking at how carbon atoms move through the Krebs cycle. Let's go. According to the Krebs cycle diagram, alpha-ketoglutarate is a key intermediate that continues through several chemical reactions. We need to track exactly where those specific carbon atoms go next in line. If a carbon backbone enters the cycle at the alpha-ketoglutarate stage, it will eventually be converted into succinyl-CoA, then succinate, and finally into oxaloacetate as the cycle continues its path. This oxaloacetate then reacts with acetyl-CoA to form citric acid. This continuous flow makes option D the only logical choice for our final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and trust given diagrams to see how molecules transform.